you all the best, Fabio. Franco, make some noise for Franco, everybody!
Finally guys, वो दिन आ चुका है. Today is day 1 of MotoGP Grand Prix weekend and true to my fashion guys, मैं हूँ late like always. चलिए अभी हम पहुँचते हैं at BIC and I'll catch you guys there. Do enjoy the cinematics boys. Finally मैं पहुँच चुका हूँ at BIC and already the ambience is just out of this world guys. बाइक्स का साउंड मुझे अभी से आ रहा है. So मेरा स्टैंड है the classic stand west, which is basically the Honda stand. I know right, the irony of life boys. So gate number 19 is where I need to go to. I'm trying to look for the gate. The place is so huge. उसी के साथ साथ इतना ज़्यादा security है guys that the vibe is just contagious. मतलब अगर आप यहाँ पर एक बार आ गए तो आपको तो प्यार ही हो जाएगा बॉयज. मैं मतलब इतना ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मैं कंटेन नहीं कर सक रहा हूँ. विद दैट बीइंग सेड गाइस, चलिए मैं अपना गेट ढूंढता हूँ एंड देन आई विल कैच यू गाइस इनसाइड. Things first guys, the sounds of the bike is just insane. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा loud है. I don't know how much my camera will be able to pick up the audio. I'll try to do my best. With that being said, I'm still searching for my Honda big wing stand and I think I have found it boys. So boys, अभी FP1 चल रहा है with 22 minutes to go. And the ambience over here is so insane. उसी के साथ साथ it is crazy loud. The bikes are extremely loud. So I don't know how much of this you can hear. I'll try to keep as many subtitles as possible so you guys can keep up with the thing. उसी के साथ साथ so अभी सीन कुछ ऐसा है कि UPI यहाँ पर डाउन हो चुका है and there is this card जिसका आपको रिचार्ज करना पड़ता है in order to buy water, food, anything. So UPI नहीं चल रहा है, कैश मैंने निकाला नहीं. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I'm fucking starving right now. I am dying of thirst. वो तो बेचारे उस बंदे ने अपना पानी का बोतल मुझे पकड़ा दिया and he was like कि भाई तू पानी मेरे यहाँ से पी ले. Otherwise तो मैं literally पानी के चक्कर में यहाँ पर गिर जाएगा. अगर आप सोचो, अगर पानी आदमी नहीं खरीद सकेगा, आदमी पैसा देने के लिए रेडी है पानी खरीदने के लिए, बट अगर वो पानी नहीं खरीद सकेगा, पानी नहीं पी सकेगा, so obviously यहाँ पर तो आदमी लोग गिरना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. So I don't know what the hell is going on. Hopefully the UPI network comes back soon and मैं recharge कर सकूँ और मैं थोड़ा पानी खरीद सकूँ. So boys, the scene is right now. मैं casually just walk कर रहा था and guess what I spotted? It's the Yamaha R3 and MTO3 banner guys. It says coming soon. I was really expecting to see the bike here, but I guess the bike is not here and it says coming soon. Come on guys, और कितना anticipate कराओगे? So boys, अभी scene कुछ ऐसा है कि free practice 1 हो चुका है. मैं गया था पानी लेने के चक्कर में and that's why I missed out the free practice. ऊपर से net एकदम भी नहीं चल रहा है boys. So I can't even check कि who came first in the free practice 1. उसी के साथ साथ मुझे timings का भी कोई idea ही नहीं है कि track times क्या था, the fastest laps क्या था and all of those things. So basically अभी एक break हुआ है. I think it's like lunch break. पूरा bleachers empty है जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो behind me. उसी के साथ साथ boys, the ambience is just amazing because this is the first time कि MotoGP इंडिया में host हो रहा है. Obviously there are some things that they can improve and आज day 1 है, so that's why there are not a lot of people here. And to be really honest with you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up today very quick because I want to keep myself fresh and मेरा energy मैं down नहीं करना चाहता for day 2 and day 3. So that is the reason why boys, I think I'm gonna wrap up today very quick. With that being said, check out the track boys. Like मैं इतना ज़्यादा खुश हूँ यहाँ पर आके that it was so worth it. So yeah, this is the track boys. उसी के साथ साथ this is the bleachers I'm sitting. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि me being a Yamaha fan, I'm sitting at the Honda bleachers, the irony of life. Nonetheless boys, this is the event that I have been waiting for so long. So I'm gonna make the best out of it. And with that being said guys, मैं आपको catch up करता हूँ in some time. के साथ साथ boys, now I'm walking to the Yamaha stand and check this out boys, the crowd at the Yamaha stand is gnarly. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो, full power crowd है हमारे Yamaha stand में because I believe they are showcasing the brand new R3. And also don't forget, let's welcome Lynn Shower. Thank you so much for being out here today.
Alright, we wish you all the best, Fabio. Franco, make some noise for Franco!
It's a pleasure to be here. Pretty hot at the moment.
Boys, it's day 2 and finally अभी ऐसा कुछ सीन है कि it was raining for the last 1 hour or so and अब जाके बारिश रुक चुका है and I feel like finally we are gonna have a sprint race, boys. So hopes up, it's about to start. I'm gonna catch you guys very soon. Boys, I hope you're enjoying the cinematics. उसी के साथ साथ qualifying is over. It's time for the sprint race, baby. Big Zeki with Mooney 46 Racing is P1 for sprint race, guys. I really hope he wins the sprint race. I think Bagnaia is 3rd or 4th. I'm not too sure. Bagnaia is obviously the favorite to win the sprint race, but I really want Mooney Racing 46 Big Zeki to win. उसी के साथ साथ अभी weather बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा हो गया है. The track has dried up pretty well. Obviously, there are some wet spots on the track. उसी के साथ some running water है track पर. In some hardcore corners like turn 6 or 7, I'm not too sure. But where I am sitting, the track is so dry and is the second last corner of the race, boys. I think corner 12 and 13. So over there though, it's looking fantastic. I can't wait for the sprint race. Boys, अगर मैं बात करूँ अपना Yamaha का, Quartararo is at 6th and 7th, which is like fine. I think he might just end up being 4th or 5th. नहीं पता, let's see. Like if the bike is performing well, Quartararo has a chance of winning a podium as well. उसी के साथ साथ Morbidelli तो I don't even know where he is, boys. इतना ज़्यादा rush है यहाँ पर, इतना ज़्यादा people है. It's like an experience of a lifetime, guys. I am trying to do my best to film as much as I can for you people to show you guys the experience of what it feels like. So basically, boys, the idea is I just want to showcase what motorsport and MotoGP is all about for you guys, so that next year भी race होने वाला है. Hopefully they extend the contract for another year. So उसके बाद वाला year भी race होगा. And I really want you guys to come and experience this race for yourself, so that आपको पता चले कि like you know what motorsport is all about, what MotoGP, the pinnacle of two-wheeler racing is all about. So yeah, boys, with that being said, I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but अपना MotoGP bikes आ चुके हैं on the track. I think they are doing a formation lap or a media lap or something like that, because the sprint race is gonna start very soon. इसी के साथ do enjoy all of the shots that I can manage for you guys, boys. Obviously copyrights की वजह से मैं आपको सब कुछ नहीं दिखा सकता हूँ, but whatever I can show you, trust me, I will show you. And just like that, boys, the sprint race is over, and damn, what a fucking race it was. Jorge Martin was on fire tonight, guys. Obviously, Bezzecchi was very unlucky. Ab kya hi kar sakte hain. He fell down on turn 1. As soon as Marc Marquez came to the 3rd position, the crowd went nuts, boys. Usi ke saath saath, wow, what an event it was. MotoGP Bharat, I love you guys. You guys are fucking awesome. With that being said, guys, that's a wrap to day 2. and sprint race हो चुका है. कल है the main race guys. The event starts at like 10:30 in the morning guys. So with that being said, I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Make sure to like the video. उसी के साथ साथ चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए and I'll catch you guys very very soon. Peace.